What you carry every day says a lot about you. It's not just about gear. It's about preparedness, intentionality, and design. Today we're going to show you how to build your own everyday carry kit from the ground up. And hopefully by the end of this, you'll have the tools you need to get started. Now let's start with the basic definition. EDC stands for everyday carry. It's the curated set of tools, objects, and essentials you keep on you to tackle your daily life. Whether you're navigating a city, hiking a trail, or just heading to work, your EDC should match your lifestyle, enhance your efficiency, and reflect your personal ethos. And what now feels like centuries ago, I grew up in the Boy Scouts, and the motto was, be prepared. That's really what it comes down to. But I will mention, take that with a little grain of salt. You don't need to carry an inflatable raft in your back pocket. So always be prepared within reason. And you decide what within reason means to you. But here's the thing about EDC that a lot of people miss. It's deeply personal. Your carry should be an extension of who you are. Some folks think that EDC is about tactical preparedness or survival scenarios. And sure, that can be part of it for some people. But for most of us, it's about the items that bring us joy and solve daily problems. It's about that fidget toy that keeps your hands busy during meetings, or that special pen that makes you smile every time you write with it. Purpose-driven. First, assess your environment. Do you live in a city or a rural area? Do you work from a laptop bag or a toolbox? Your environment and daily routine will define the core functions of your EDC needs to support. This step is all about purpose. Are you prioritizing utility, safety, creativity, or minimalism? Maybe a blend of all four. Depending on how you answer this question will be the foundation of every step going forward from here. So let me give you a framework to think about. Imagine your EDC in layers, like an onion. There's the core layer, the stuff that's literally on your body at all times. Your phone, your wallet, your keys. These are the items you tap your pockets before leaving the house, the things you'd feel naked without. Then there's the expanded layer. What goes in your bag when you're heading out to work or out for the day. Finally, the situational layer. The stuff you have when traveling or for specific activities. Carry systems. Once you have all of your essentials dialed in, it's time to think about how you want to carry them. This can range from a pocket setup, to a pouch, to a full bag loadout. Options here. Pocket carry, for minimalists who want everything on their person at all times. Pouch carry, modular and easy to swap between bags. It's like a different loadout for different days. Bag loadout, for professionals or those who carry tech or tools. Your messenger bag, backpack, briefcase becomes part of your EDC system. Make sure everything has a place. This improves access and cuts down everyday friction. Think about weight distribution. Heavy items in different pockets, not all on one side. Consider how things feel when you sit down. That big flashlight might be fine when you're standing up, but a little bit uncomfortable when you're sitting or driving. The key is accessibility. The stuff you use most should be easiest to reach. Personal style and what you're signaling. Your EDC is constantly communicating who you are, whether you realize it or not. Every item you pull out of your pocket is making a statement about you and your values, and your personality, and your priorities. Just think about it. Someone who carries a vintage leather wallet with patina tells a completely different story than someone with a minimalist titanium card holder. The leather wallet says, I appreciate craftsmanship, tradition, maybe even a bit of nostalgia. The titanium one says, I value efficiency, modern design, and cutting-edge materials. Neither is right or wrong. They're just different expressions of different personalities. Your watch choice is probably the biggest signal. A vintage Omega Seamaster says something different than a G-Shock, which says something different than an Apple Watch Ultra. Even your pen choice matters. Pull out a vintage fountain pen, and you're saying you value the ritual of writing, that you appreciate slower, more intentional tools. Whip out a tactical pen, and you're probably signaling preparedness, or maybe even a more utilitarian mindset. Use whatever BIC you grabbed from the bank, and you're saying function over form, which is also totally valid. The beautiful thing is, you get to curate this. Your EDC is like your personal brand that you carry with you. Want to project professionalism? Choose sleek, minimal items and coordinated materials. Want to show your creative side? Maybe that means colorful scales on your knife or an interesting notebook cover. Into vintage aesthetics? Brass and leather might be a great choice for you. But here's the key, and the thing I keep repeating over and over again. Be intentional about it. Don't just grab whatever's cheapest or most tactical looking. Think about what story you want your carry to tell. Legal and social considerations. Know your local laws, especially around knives and multi-tools. What's legal in Texas might get you arrested in New York or London. When in doubt, check local regulations or opt for something more conservative. Social awareness matters too. That 7-inch tactical knife might be perfect for camping, but it could make people a little uncomfortable in an office setting. Choose gear that fits your environment. The perfect EDC is not built in one day. Any video that claims they can help you build a perfect EDC in one video, they're dead wrong. This video here is only just the start. For me, I've spent maybe 20 years designing and refining my perfect, in quotes, EDC kit. And I'm still working on it every single day. Maybe because I'm obsessed. Use your kit, then refine it. Remove what you don't use, upgrade what breaks. The goal is simple. Carry what adds value and ditch what doesn't. Now there's a budget approach too. Don't blow your savings on the perfect kit right away. Try budget versions first. Figure out what you actually use. Then upgrade those items that earn their place in your daily carry. Common mistakes to avoid. Overpacking. Just because you can carry something doesn't mean you should. If you're not using it regularly, it's probably just dead weight. Copying someone else's setup. My EDC won't work for you, and yours won't work for me. We have different jobs, different environments, different preferences. Ignoring maintenance. That knife that needs sharpening, that flashlight that needs charging, that pen that needs refills. Gear only works when it's maintained, so keep up with it. Forgetting the basics. Don't get so caught up in cool gadgets and the next cool thing that you forget to optimize the basics. Phone, wallet, keys. That's really what it really comes down to in the modern day. And the finale. Your EDC is a living system, shaped by you, for you. Start with the basics. Build with intention, and always carry what matters. Remember, the best EDC is the one that you'll actually use. It doesn't matter or not if it's Instagram worthy, or if EDC forums would approve. If it makes your daily life better, you're doing it 100% correctly. EDC is supposed to be fun. It's about problem solving, optimization, and expressing your personality through the tools you choose. Don't let anyone gatekeep your carry or tell you you're doing something wrong. That's ridiculous. Start small, think purposefully, and enjoy the journey of building a carry that's uniquely yours. At the end of the day, the goal isn't to have a perfect EDC. It's to have your perfect EDC. And now one quick question for you. What have you done recently with your EDC? Have you upgraded? Have you swapped something out? Have you gotten rid of something? Added something? Comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching.
Carryology is proudly backed by our friends at Bellroy. To learn more, visit our About Us page, link in the description.